Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Optimum Nutrition Fake versus Original. It's crucial to know the difference to ensure you're getting a safe and effective product. First, always examine the packaging closely. Authentic products have distinct details, including crisp printing and consistent branding. Pay attention to the seal and lid for any signs of tampering or damage. Genuine supplements also feature clear, legible batch numbers and expiration dates. These initial checks are your first line of defense against counterfeits. Moving on to the label, real Optimum Nutrition products boast high-quality printing with sharp text and vibrant colors. Counterfeit versions often display blurry text, faded colors, or even misspellings. Take a moment to verify the product's barcode using the manufacturer's official website or a dedicated app. This simple step can quickly confirm authenticity. Remember, attention to these small details can save you from purchasing a potentially harmful fake. Now, let's talk about the product itself. Authentic Optimum Nutrition powder typically has a consistent, fine texture. If you notice clumps, an unusual graininess, or a strange color, it might be a fake. Genuine supplements dissolve easily and completely in liquid, without leaving excessive residue. The taste and smell should also align with what you expect from the specific flavor. Any off-putting or chemical odors are major red flags. Finally, the best way to avoid fakes is to purchase your supplements exclusively from authorized retailers or the official Optimum Nutrition website. Many manufacturers offer verification apps or online tools where you can input batch numbers to confirm authenticity. Always be wary of unusually low prices or sellers with poor reviews. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these containers and other great deals. Your health and safety are paramount, so always prioritize verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.